Vivo V50 Pro Max with 360MP camera and 9100 processor is a premium device at an affordable price. Vivo has long established its name in the smartphone world with a balance of design, innovation, and camera leadership. With the Vivo V50 Pro Max, the brand is pushing boundaries yet again. This time it delivers a premium smartphone with mind-blowing hardware, a massive 360MP camera sensor, MediaTek Dimensity 9100 processor, and a vivid 144 Hz AMOLED panel. Vivo promises all of this at a surprisingly affordable price for 2025. It's clearly targeting users who crave flagship performance and futuristic features without emptying their wallets. The V50 Pro Max is more than a spec sheet wonder. It represents Vivo vision to bring cinematic creativity, smooth multitasking, and durable battery life to everyday users. With the V50 Pro Max, Vivo brings its most ambitious camera hardware to date, building on the camera-centric legacy of the V series. The addition of the 9100 processor signals its desire to merge visual prowess with real power. For users upgrading from any 2-year-old V-series phone, this is a massive leap. The V50 Pro Max is designed to impress from the moment you hold it. The device uses a curved edge-to-edge AMOLED panel on the front and matte textured glass on the back, giving it an executive look. The aluminum mid-frame offers excellent structural rigidity. At just 8.1 mm thick and 188 G, the phone feels balanced. The rear camera module is inspired by Vivo's X series, designed as a minimal circular housing with precision-aligned sensors. Buyers can pick from pearl titanium, cosmic purple, and satin black finishes. The back also features a subtle gradient pattern that changes shades under light, enhancing visual depth and style. 360MP primary sensor with f1, 4 aperture, and OIS. 50MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, 12MP ultrawide shooter, AI tuning Zeiss Optics partnership, and Vivo's in-house V-chip imaging processor ensure best-in-class photo and video results. It supports up to 8K video recording with cinematic stabilization and real-time LUT filters. The display on the i50 Pro Max is a 2K AMOLED panel with 144 Hz refresh rate and 1800 nits peak brightness. Whether you're gaming, editing photos, or binge-watching series, the experience feels flagship grade. The adaptive refresh rate ensures battery efficiency while delivering smooth frame rates. It also supports 2160 Hz PWM dimming for eye comfort. The 6800 mAh battery ensures 2-day usage for average consumers. Power users still get a day and a half on a single charge. Vivo's AI battery manager helps by learning your app usage, but it's in limiting background power drains. The 80W wired charger fills the phone to 100% in under 45 minutes, while wireless charging reaches 50% in just 30 minutes. Market positioning and launch pricing: $49,999 for 12 GB, 256 GB, $54,999 for 16 GB, 512 GB,